I'm a content creator. I'm a content creator. Of course, I'm the writer, the director, the actor, the alligator. Ang tanda ng joke. And here's my new workmate, the HP Pavilion 14 Plus. With 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, perfect for multitasking. I'm a content creator. Of course, bida-bida ako. Buong energy bibigay ko sa'yo. Speaking of energy, long battery life na, fast charge pa. I'm a content creator. Of course, di tayo papahuli sa mga ganap. Fear of missing out. Wide-angle 5 megapixel camera for video call with HP presence na rin for better experience. I'm a content creator. Of course, mabilis ang internet ko. Gusto ko kasi ako mismo nag-update sa mga marites. Thank you Intel Wi-Fi 6. 3 times faster ang connectivity. I'm a content creator. Of course, mahilig ako manood ng videos para updated sa trends. Ang ganda kaya panoorin dito. With OLED display remastered by IMAX. Hala ang linaw oh. Sine yarn? Whole new viewing experience with Intel Iris Xe graphics. Nalibot ko na lahat. I'm a content creator. Of course, I'm the OG of what I'm good at. Like hashtag HP the OG. I think kailangan mo rin ng bagong workmate. Power up your productivity with HP Pavilion 14 Plus. Available now in Shopee and Lazada.